arrived at Samnak Maiteng, which is a reservoir. Yeah, it's kind of a dam, I think. Yeah, so it has nice views and nature. Yeah. Yeah, the first thing I noticed is the smell of seafood, like grilled squid. I guess because it's full of fish and seafood here. And there's a duck welcoming me. Hello, ducky. So cute. Hey. Ah, you're so cute. Good dog. She's a smart dog. She knows where food is. Well, potential food. This is the second place that's free. Again, there's no parking fee, so it's really good. I think you can really travel here on budget. There's food everywhere here. We just stopped by somewhere randomly. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Another random stop that looks so beautiful.
Wow.
So peaceful and quiet. So nice. So this is another random stop. So the view is so beautiful, and as you can see, there's a lot of space, so why not before the sun sets? But yeah, it might be a good idea to film a bit. So this is how people here are having fun. They just have karaoke. Oh, what a good idea to stop here. Wow.